Hi, I'm Maria from Awaken Success Coaching, and I wanted to extend an invite to you to join my private Facebook group because next week I'm having a whole week of free live coaching. So there's no webinars, there's nothing pre-recorded. I'm going to be live coaching every single day on the subject of self-image. And self-image is hugely important if you're also a creative. When I had my photography business, I did everything for the business. I worked on the business. I worked around the business. I did all these different courses to improve my business and my skill and my craft. But I wasn't working on me. And when I worked on my own self-image through coaching, everything in my business changed. My monthly income as a photographer turned into my per session income. My business won Best of Clark County. I started attracting my ideal clients. I also felt worthy of what I was charging. In the past, I would have this thing where I'd compare myself to other photographers or other artists. And it's so damaging. I wasn't charging enough. I had too many clients and I started to feel kind of resentful because I was just doing too much and not getting paid for it. But it's because of that image I had in my subconscious mind. It's how I saw myself. So it's a subject I'm really passionate about as a coach. And I would just love if you could join my group and come see me next week. That's it. I hope you have a great rest of your week and a great weekend. Bye.